So you have to plan your pregnancy according to the ovulation time. Exact date of ovulation cannot be determined. The egg, once it is released from the ovum, it remains alive for next 24 hours. First thing, you have to know your cycle length. How many days did your cycle last? So this is the well. This is where I am going to put the urine using a dropper. The appropriate time can be determined. For this, you have to know three things. When a couple want to get pregnant, they have to start planning pregnancy according to their ovulation time. So today I thought I will teach you how to use ovulation kit and find your appropriate date of ovulation at home. This is Dr. Reshma Shree, fertility super specialist and laparoscopic surgeon. The sperm remains alive inside the uterus for 72 hours. Whereas the egg, once it is released from the ovum, it remains alive for next 12 to 24 hours. So you have to plan your pregnancy according to the ovulation time. So the appropriate time of ovulation, the exact date of ovulation cannot be determined. The appropriate time can be determined. For this, you have to know three things. First thing, you have to know your cycle length. So last 3 months, how many days did your cycle last? So according to that, you have to calculate your ovulation date. Suppose your cycle is happening 30 days once. Then you have to minus 14 days from your last day of menstrual cycle. That is 30 minus 14 will be 16. So on 16th day of your menstrual cycle, you will be ovulating. So you have to start using ovulation kit 3 days before your appropriate date of ovulation. To use this ovulation kit, you need not have early morning sample. You can use sample between 10 AM to 7 PM. This is because the peak LH level happens around 12 PM to 2 PM. So this is not a reusable kit. You have to use one cassette at a time and discard it. So I will demonstrate using the ovulation kit. So this is the ovulation kit. You will get 5 packs inside it. It is easy to open. You have to check the expiry date and there will be a description how to use the kit in the back side of the pack. There will be a dropper inside the kit. So this is the well. This is where I am going to put the urine using a dropper. Approximately 2 to 3 drops will be more than enough. This is control and this is test line. So I put 3 drops. So we are going to wait for 2 to 5 minutes till the lines appear. So line has appeared in control. It means that ovulation has not happened. Suppose the line appears in T, that is in test, that means that adequate amount of LH is there in the body and ovulation has happened. Suppose there is a faint line in T, it means that there is mild LH hormone in the body. So if there is no line in C and T, it means it is invalid test and you have to repeat the test again with a new kit. Suppose there is line in T alone and there is no line in C, it is also an invalid test and you have to use a new kit and repeat it again. So today we have discussed in detail how to use an ovulation kit at home and plan pregnancy according to the ovulation time. So I hope this video was useful. So please subscribe, comment and like the channel. We will be replying to your comments directly. Thank you.